Press button freeze. Play icon is displayed on the left bottom. Press quick key to corresponding the speed. It can be used to slow down or speed up the playback speed exponentially. The rate from 1.0 times to 2.0 times. 1 times is original speed, 2 times is fast rate. The cursor will be moved after pressing the 3 button sign store. When the cursor on the progress bar reaches to the end, the videos are stored. They are shown on the right of the screen. If we would like to watch this video, move the cursor over the image then click. After that, there are 2 times on the top of the screen. The time of the second row is for video playing. The top row time is the present time. After pressing ESC, then press quick key 6 of thumbnail to exit. The above introductions are some functions after freezing. Next, we talk about the panel. Press button dual. There are 2 images are shown on the screen. First image will be shown on the left screen. Press button update. The left image will be moved to the right. We press button update to switch. The blue circle depicts the current image. Let me move on to the function of 4 images. Press button quote. There are 4 images will be shown on the screen in the same sense. The left top corner is the first image, then press update to display and switch. Press same button quote again to exit. Next, we introduce often used key of middle row in the panel. The first button is the B, which is B mode. The second button color used for the color Doppler. This machine doesn't have the color function. PW is spectral Doppler. After scanning the image, move the green cursor over the blood flow. Beside PW key is button power, which is energy Doppler. But black and white ultrasound doesn't have this function. Beside button power is button M, which is M mode. V mode and M mode are shown on the screen at the same time. Moving mouse to change the position of the sampling line. Look at the panel. Beside button M is button C. The function of C, which can enhance the image. We press button B then press C. We can see that the image has an enhanced effect. Press again, the image has attenuated effect. This adjustment is used for superficial, carotid, which need to be more obviously black and white grayscale effect. Press button menu on the panel, the details will be shown on the right. According to the actual demand, use the mouse to select the corresponding function. The first one, the probe power, the tint is pseudo color. Press left and right direction key beside bottom menu to change color. Normal display is in the 0 state. Next function is invert BW, which is black and white flip. Next one is the mirror, which is mirror image. And the reverse, that is up-down reversal. We can also press quick key to select. The icon edge is the edge enhancement, that the sharpness of the margin will be sharpened. Sharpening is not required in general, only for scanning special parts. Gamma doesn't need to be adjusted except special. The contrast and the brightness don't need to be adjusted normally. The icon app is image optimized mode. Adjust upward, the image is more sharpened, the frame rate will be slowed down. Downward adjustment, optimization will be turned off, the image grains become coarse. In general, we select 2 or 3. The focuses represents the number of focus. This can be adjusted either through the menu or quick key. The 4 is full screen display size. The normal condition is 100%. Adjust downward, the scanned angle will be smaller than narrow. Adjust upward, the scanned angle will be bigger than full amplitude. These are wide and narrow field imaging. The last function, canvas, is full width reduction. Adjust to 0 state, which is the normal state. The above is the function introduction of menu in the B mode. The menu function is different in different modes. In PW mode, it displays the corresponding function. There are all the parameters of in PW mode, such as frequency, sweep, noise, or filter. The above functions are used for scanning images. The below functions from PW colorize Armia Pure invert to auto track are used for spectroscopy. The last part, from edge to volume, are used for dimensional gray harmonic. Now let's talk about the buttons around the mouse. The first button back is the return key. The second button clear is asked for clearing the screen. The third text is annotation key. Press it, the cursor will be shown on the screen. We can type it directly or click the stored phrase on the right screen. For the delete, we can press backspace or clear key. The update key is for updating data. The last 2 is the measurement key and set key. The set key is used for confirming or selecting. Look at this part. Press the button arrow and the arrow will appear on the screen. Rotate the knob. The arrow on the screen will be changed accordingly. When the arrow is moved to the appointed place, then press Set, then the arrow will be left on the screen. Now we are in an obstetric state, press button body mark. The obstetric's body marks will be shown on the right screen. Different departments have different body marks. Click required body marks. The body marks will be displayed on the lower right corner. Rotate the middle knob to adjust the direction of the probe position identification. We can also choose multi-body mark to depict the direction of the probe scanning. What is the function of the button zoom? Press button zoom. The image will be large. If we would like to enlarge image continuously, rotate the middle knob. Press button zoom again, then exit. The last button angle, which is used for adjust the angle of the sampling strip in PW mode. Press button angle, then rotate the knob. The sampling strip is moved accordingly. Press quick key of PW get reach to a place where blood vessel is filled. The angle of the sampling strip is perpendicular to the tested blood vessel. Use this method, we can get relatively accurate velocity of blood flow. In the B mode, we can press depth to change the depth of the image. Press up depth key to decrease the depth. Press down depth key increase the depth. Left bottom is gain, beside knob is overall gain. Next, we introduce the button review. This feature can provide previous stored data of patient. After press it, the lower box displays stored cases of patients. The scanned images and video on the left screen belongs to this patient. Click thumbnail image, then we can check it. Tick the Report of checkbox, click Print Report in the drop-down box of the tool. We can re-edit patient's data. After click Print Report. The report will be shown on the screen. We can re-edit it. Scan image can be edited again also. If we'd like to change patient's images and text information, first we need to select this image. Check the measurement in drop-down list of tools. Click the B in the drop-down list of measures. The measurement items are shown on the right screen, then we can measure again. Click Save, then can save again. Include the delete functions. We can click Delete to delete the patient's case. The last two items search and view. We can select the mode of the view method, such as zoom in or full screen. Select the relevant frames, then they are released accordingly and loop playback. Click icon Exit or press button Review, either way can exit. Thanks for watching.